Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we dive deep into the fascinating world of cockroaches. These seemingly simple creatures are far more complex and intriguing than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll see them in a whole new light. So let's get started. First things first. Cockroaches belong to the class Insecta under the phylum Arthropoda. These creatures have been around for millions of years, evolving into one of the most resilient animals on Earth. Most cockroaches are brown or black, but in tropical regions, you'll also find bright yellow, red or green ones. Their size can range from a mere 0.6 centimeters to an impressive 7.6 centimeters. Talk about diversity. They're nocturnal omnivores, meaning they eat almost anything and prefer damp, dark places. Unfortunately for us, many have adapted to human homes, becoming serious pests and carriers of diseases. Let's dissect their structure. Don't worry, not literally. The common cockroach species, Periplaneta americana, is about 34 to 53 millimeters long. Males have wings that extend beyond their abdomen. Their body is segmented into three main regions: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The body is covered by a hard, brown, chitinous exoskeleton. This exoskeleton is divided into plates called sclerites. The dorsal plates are tergites, and the ventral ones are sternites. These are connected by a thin, flexible membrane, allowing movement. The head is triangular and highly mobile, thanks to a flexible neck. It houses a pair of compound eyes, each made up of around 2,000 hexagonal ommatidia. These allow cockroaches to have mosaic vision, giving them excellent sensitivity in low light, but at the cost of resolution. They also have long, thread-like antennae packed with sensory receptors. These act as their primary environmental sensors. Their mouthparts, what scientists call biting and chewing type, include the labrum, upper lip, mandibles for crushing food, maxillae for manipulation, and the labium, lower lip. A tongue-like structure called the hypopharynx is also present. The thorax has three parts: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each segment has a pair of legs, making cockroaches exceptional runners. The first pair of wings, called tegmina, arises from the mesothorax and serves as protective covers for the delicate hind wings, which are used for flight. The abdomen consists of 10 segments. Males have anal styles, which are absent in females. Both sexes have anal cerci, jointed sensory structures that detect vibrations. Females also possess a brood pouch, which contains reproductive organs. The cockroach's alimentary canal is divided into three regions: the foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Food enters the pharynx and passes through the esophagus into a storage organ called the crop. After storage, the food moves into the gizzard, a muscular organ with chitinous teeth that grind the food. Digestive juices are secreted by hepatic chichi in the midgut, while the hindgut is responsible for water absorption and excretion. Cockroaches have an open circulatory system. Their blood, or hemolymph, bathes internal organs directly. The heart is a long, tubular structure with multiple chambers that pump blood anteriorly. The respiratory system consists of tracheal tubes that open externally through spiracles. These spiracles have sphincters to regulate airflow. Oxygen diffuses directly into tissues via thin branches called tracheoles. This system is so efficient that a cockroach can survive without its head for up to a week. Excretion is handled by Malpighian tubules. These extract nitrogenous waste from the blood and convert it into uric acid, making cockroaches uricotelic. This is why they thrive in dry conditions. The cockroach's nervous system is decentralized, with ganglia spread throughout its body. Even if its head is removed, the body can function for days. Cockroaches are dioecious, meaning males and females have separate reproductive organs. Males produce spermatophores, which are transferred to females during mating. Females produce oothecae, egg capsules containing up to 16 eggs. These hatch into nymphs, which molt 13 times before reaching adulthood. Cockroaches are infamous for contaminating food with their excreta and spreading diseases like salmonella and dysentery. However, in ecosystems, they play a role as decomposers. And that's a wrap on the incredible anatomy and life of cockroaches. Whether you find them fascinating or terrifying, there's no denying their resilience and complexity. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget, Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode of Knowledge Chronicle.